writing today, kindergartners. We are going to go back over, you are going to go back over one of your pieces and fix it up. So I have given each one of you, actually 2 of these fix it up checklists, just so you have 2 lists, and that way you can actually check the list, or you can just, at least you'll have 2 lists, okay? If you need more of these lists in the future, just let me know, but you could use it as a real checklist. So we'll talk about this in a few minutes. First of all, I'm going to start with my fancy fix it up checklist. So when we are going back over our work to make sure that we did everything correctly, you want to have a checklist, and authors very often have a checklist to make sure that they've done things correctly and added all the things in that they wanted to add in. So you're looking for, do your sentences start with a capital letter? And that says right here, starts with a capital letter, and it shows you some lines under the capital H. Number 2, has spaces between the words. That's really important, remember. If they're all squished together, then it's really hard to read. And that is right here, has spaces between the words, and you can see the arrows to show you, remind you about the spaces. Okay, the next one says, here is my, has punctuation at the end, and you can see that this has a period. You could also have a sentence that requires a question mark or an exclamation mark. Most will have a period. And the last one says contains mostly lowercase letters, and we talked about that yesterday. So, and on here, the same thing, has punctuation at the end, shows you the punctuation, contains mostly lowercase letters. So there are 4 things that you are looking for in your writing. So once again, I would like you to take a piece of your writing that you have out of your folder, but actually you could just wait until I've told you about what we're going to do here. So I have something that I have written. And let's look over mine. Now, one way to correct things is to use, possibly use another colored pen. Can also use an eraser and a pencil. So so I'm checking my list. Did I start with a capital letter? Yes, I did. Played train with my family I played train my family. Ooh, I missed a word. Do you remember what we do when we miss a word? We put a funny little, kind of almost like a triangle, and then I'm going to write my word up top here so I know, because I don't want to erase everything just to write that word in. I played train with my family. That's something we learned a while ago. Remember, these are called carrots. I played train with my family last night. Oh, I think I'm missing a period. Well, I can easily add a period with my pencil. So I'm going to add a period with my pencil. Mr. Fullerton, if I have a period here, what do I need here? Yes, a capital letter. Well, I think the easiest thing for me to do is to erase that and add a capital letter to that. So Mr. Fullerton won, and I came, what is wrong with this? It looks like I forgot to leave spaces. So I think the easiest thing for me to do here is just add some arrows like in our chart here that tells me that there's supposed to be a space here. Mr. Fullerton won, and I came in second place. Yeah, he won. But I came in second place. That was cool. That's supposed to be a capital letter. Oh, and look it, I forgot spaces. I think I'm going to erase the whole word we. and I'm going to move it over here so I can have my space, and maybe I'm just going to add a little mark to show that I need a space here. Looks like I forgot my period. Oh, Mrs. Fullerton, such a bad writer today. Okay, so I would like you to take out one of your pieces that you've been working on and get out your Fix It Up checklist and go through and see if you can correct your work that you have been doing. Okay, have fun. See you later.